What if I told you, most students don't fail because they are not smart? They fail because their daily routine is broken? Not their effort, not their dreams, but the system they follow every single day. In fact, a simple change in your daily routine can increase your productivity by over 2x without studying longer. So in this video, I'm going to show you the perfect daily routine for students. One that helps you stay focused, avoid burnout, and actually get results. 2. Before we talk about the perfect routine, you need to understand something important. Most students live in reaction mode. They wake up late, rush their morning, check their phone immediately, and spend the day reacting to school, messages, and distractions. This creates 3 big problems: low focus, high stress, poor results. And here's the truth. IT's not about working harder. IT's about building a better system. Because successful students don't rely on motivation. They rely on routine. The perfect morning routine. Your day starts the moment you wake up. And this is where most students lose control. Step 1. Wake up at a fixed time. Choose a consistent wake-up time. Not random, not whenever you feel like it. Why? Because your brain loves patterns. A fixed wake-up time improves focus, memory, and energy. Step 2. Avoid your phone for 30 minutes. This is critical. When you wake up and grab your phone, you instantly enter distraction mode. Social media, messages, notifications. They hijack your brain. Instead, give yourself 30 minutes of control. No phone. No scrolling. Step 3. Activate your body. Do something simple. Stretch, walk, or light exercise. Even 5 to 10 minutes is enough. This increases blood flow to your brain and improves concentration. Step 4. Plan your day. Take 5 minutes to write. What are the 3 most important tasks today? What must be completed no matter what? This is powerful. Because instead of guessing your day, you redirecting it. Part 3. The perfect study system. Now let's talk about studying. Because this is where most students struggle. Step 1. Use deep focus sessions. Study in blocks of 45 to 60 minutes. No distractions. No phone. Just pure focus. Then take a 5 to 10 minute break. This method is based on how your brain naturally works. IT's called focus cycling. Step 2. Focus on understanding, not memorizing. Many students make this mistake. They read, highlight, and repeat. But real learning comes from understanding. Ask yourself, can I explain this to someone else? If the answer is no, you don't truly understand it. Step 3. Use active recall. Instead of rereading notes, close your book and try to remember what you learned. This strengthens your memory much faster. In fact, studies show it can improve retention by over 50%. Step 4. remove distractions completely. Let's be honest. You can't focus if your phone is beside you. So do this. Put your phone in another room. Turn off notifications. Use a simple study environment. Because focus is not about trying harder. It's about removing distractions. Part 4. The perfect afternoon routine. After school or lectures, most students waste this time. Scrolling, watching random videos, or just feeling tired. Here's what you should do instead. Step 1. Rest intentionally. Take a short break. 30 to 60 minutes. Relax your brain. But don't fall into endless scrolling. That's not rest, that's distraction. Step 2. Review what you learned. Spend 20 to 30 minutes reviewing your notes. This is powerful. Because reviewing the same day improves memory dramatically. Step 3. Work on skill building. This is what separates average students from successful ones. Spend at least 1 hour learning a valuable skill. Coding, writing, graphic design, communication. Because school gives you knowledge, but skills give you opportunities and money. Part 5. The perfect night routine. Your night routine determines your next day. Step 1. Reduce screen time before bed. At least 30 to 60 minutes before sleep. Reduce phone usage. Because screens affect your sleep quality. Step 2. Light review or reading. Read something simple, or review what you studied. This helps your brain process information overnight. Step 3. Sleep at a consistent time. Sleep is not optional. It's your performance system. Students who sleep 7 to 8 hours perform better academically. That's a fact. If you only remember one thing from this video, remember this. Your success is not decided by one big action, but by your daily system. So start simple. Fix your wake-up time. Study in focused blocks. Remove distractions. Build one skill daily. You don't need a perfect life. You just need a consistent routine. A strong daily routine turns an average student into a focused, productive, and successful one. Control your day, and you control your future. If you found this helpful, make sure you subscribe for more simple videos on money, productivity, and building real wealth. And if you want to take things further, watch the next video on your screen, where I break down how students can start making money even while in school. Your future starts with what you do today.